So Stephen, why is this interesting for the installer?
The installer can install it completely toolless. It's very efficient and it clicks easy together.
What else?
Because of the shape that it has, it can transport a longer distance. So you only need one every 1.2 meters, or for the bigger ones, every 2 meters.
And this, you don't have to screw it in. It basically stays
Completely toolless. You don't have to screw it in. You only need an extra clip to make sure it's 25 years on top of a roof.
What about rain and wind? Is that guaranteed?
We also have a wind certificate on our roof support system, so we know and we can guarantee it will stay on top of the roof.
Okay, what's this?
It's the PV shelter. It's a frame meant for your inverter to be placed on top of a roof on a safe and easy way.
To protect it against the elements.
Protect it against wind, snow and rain. It has a manual, an easy manual, 5 steps, and you can install it. If you're a little bit practice in it, 5 to 10 minutes.
This looks extremely geeky. What is it?
This is for the really big installations. When you have a big installation, you can have a lightning protection on your roof, or you want to have a very fast, quick disconnect. So this is what we provide in one box, 12 MPPs, 24 strings, the biggest that we got.
When do I need a safety system like this?
Above the 2,000 panels.
Hey, Stephen, how long does Conduct already do international business?
International business started 2 years ago.
Which countries are you in?
Focusing on Germany and the Scandinavian countries, but also on Italy, France, Belgium.
How do you basically go international?
Mainly to the distributors. We are a long-time partnership and they are very happy with our products and distributing in other countries.
If I look at Conduct with these products, what do you add to the picture?
We add safety to the projects. For instance, the big project in the harbor of Rotterdam, where we have the permission because of our safety products.
And how big was that project?
20,000 panels.
And how many of those boxes were needed there?
11.
11 boxes.
Big project.
Yeah. And also you used all the
kilometers of roof support and 11 PV shelters.
And that you all need to make a big project like that possible to get permission.
To get the permissions correctly.
So you're safety in big projects.
Correct.
And small.
Yeah, and small.
Okay. In a lot of countries.
All of the countries.
Okay. By hard work.
By hard work.